Aircraft bulkheads. The structural backbone of an aircraft. Aircraft bulkheads are one of the most important structural components of an airplane. They provide strength, maintain the aircraft's shape, support internal systems, and help separate different sections of the aircraft. Without bulkheads, an aircraft would not be able to withstand the stresses experienced during flight. What is an aircraft bulkhead? A bulkhead is a strong structural frame installed across the fuselage of an aircraft. It acts like a wall or partition and helps maintain the aircraft's shape while distributing loads throughout the airframe. Bulkheads are usually made from aluminium alloys, titanium alloys, composite materials, reinforced structural metals. They are positioned at various locations along the fuselage depending on the aircraft design and operational requirements. Main functions of aircraft bulkheads: structural support. Bulkheads strengthen the fuselage and prevent deformation caused by aerodynamic forces, cabin pressurization, landing loads, flight maneuvers, pressure retention. Pressurized aircraft use special pressure bulkheads to keep cabin air contained at high altitudes. Section separation. Bulkheads divide the aircraft into different compartments such as cockpit, passenger, cabin, cargo compartments, equipment bays. Equipment mounting. Many aircraft systems are attached to bulkheads, including hydraulic components, electrical equipment, control cables, environmental control systems. Types of aircraft bulkheads. Forward bulkhead, located near the cockpit area, and provides structural reinforcement for the nose section. Pressure bulkheads seal the pressurized cabin and maintain a safe environment for passengers and crew. Common locations: forward pressure bulkhead, rear pressure bulkhead. Cargo bulkhead separates cargo compartments from passenger areas and helps contain loads during flight. Rear bulkhead, located near the tail section and supports the empennage structure. Rear pressure bulkhead. The rear pressure bulkhead is one of the most critical aircraft structures. Functions: seals cabin pressure, transfers structural loads, supports aft fuselage components, maintains aircraft integrity. Shape. Most rear pressure bulkheads are dome-shaped spherical curved structures. The curved design distributes pressure more efficiently than a flat surface. Bulkhead construction. Modern aircraft bulkheads typically consist of reinforced skins, structural webs, stiffeners, stringer attachments, fasteners and rivets. Advanced aircraft increasingly use carbon fiber composite bulkheads to reduce weight while maintaining strength. Bulkhead inspection and maintenance. Aircraft maintenance technicians regularly inspect bulkheads for cracks, corrosion, fatigue, damage, loose fasteners, structural deformation. Routine inspections are essential because bulkhead failures can compromise aircraft safety and pressurization. Importance of bulkheads in aviation safety. Bulkheads play a vital role in maintaining fuselage strength, supporting aircraft systems, preserving cabin pressurization, enhancing passenger safety, extending aircraft service life. Every commercial and military aircraft relies on properly designed and maintained bulkheads to operate safely and efficiently. Aircraft bulkheads are often hidden behind cabin panels, but they are among the most important structural components of an airplane. They provide strength, support, compartment separation, and pressure containment throughout the aircraft. From the cockpit to the tail section, bulkheads help ensure that every flight remains safe, comfortable, and structurally sound. In simple terms, bulkheads are the aircraft's internal structural walls that keep the fuselage strong, maintain cabin pressure, and support critical systems throughout the airplane. Thanks for watching. If you want to improve your aviation knowledge and pilot training skills, download the Pilot Training app from the Google Play Store. The app link is available in the video description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more aviation content.